Hey guys, welcome back to another live. Hope everybody's doing great. We're back here live. Hey guys, welcome back to another live. Welcome back guys. Let's hit the thumbs up. Let's get the likes up. Double tap on the screen if you're watching on TikTok. I'm gonna just have one screen up today. Good morning, everybody. Hope you guys are doing great. Oh my goodness. Okay, 1 second. Welcome back to another live. Hope everybody's doing great. We're back live to analyze and trade. I'm also live on TikTok, so let's get the likes up. Let me share the TikTok live on the group chat, and then we'll get started. Let's get the likes to 5,000, guys. Double tap on your screen. Double tap on your screen, guys. Let's get the likes to 5,000. Wow. We already have 59 people in the room and I didn't even share live. All right, awesome guys. Let's keep tapping on the screen. Welcome back everybody welcome back to another live where we're gonna analyze and trade the market. I'll be analyzing the Forex and crypto market. Welcome back. It's great to have you guys. Happy new week. I hope you guys had an amazing weekend and are ready to make some mola on the market. Okay, let's tap on our screen. Let's get the likes to 5,000. Okay, once we get 5,000 likes, then we will begin with the analysis. And if this is your first time joining, you're welcome. It's great to have you here. Make sure you subscribe and follow me on TikTok. Join my free Telegram group so you can keep getting more information, more signals for free. The link to my Telegram group is in my bio. Let's get the likes off. I'm gonna So I'll start off by analyzing gold. You know what? I'm gonna just get started with the analysis just because I did come a little bit late, so I'm done trading for the day. I'm in Africa, okay? So for those who don't know, I come live Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. from 10 a.m. Eastern time, and then the second time is at 10 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group so you can get notified whenever I come live, and also get some signals and a bunch of other cool things that will help you to grow in your trading. So we'll start off by analyzing gold. Okay, we'll take a look at gold, and then after that we'll look at Bitcoin as well. Okay, so we'll look at Bitcoin, and then we will look at other things, maybe like GBP USD and stuff. Okay, so let's start off by looking at gold. Let's check it out. Let's check out the daily time frame. You know, a quick look at the daily time frame here. So this is gold on the daily time frame. Price is currently 27.43, and it is in an uptrend. So the market is in an uptrend, and our last high that we broke above was 26.85. Okay, and ever since the price broke above that, it hasn't like came back to do a retest on it. If it comes back down to this level, this could be a really good buying opportunity here. What we see here is that after gold broke this resistance 26.85, it basically just pumped all the way down, all the way up to 27.58, and then from there it got rejected, and it found support at around 27.09, and then from there push back up. So now it's returning back to that resistance. That 27.58 is the resistance, and we can see gold has made it all the way there, and then it received massive rejection, but then now it's pulling back up. Okay, so that's basically what's happening here on the daily time frame. Okay, we're just seeing the price that it's not moving as much. Okay, so now let's go to before we go to the 1 hour time frame, let me just let you guys know right now the most important levels for the market to hold for this uptrend to continue is 2600. Okay, be more precise, 2602. So this is the previous low on the daily time frame. It cannot break below that level, because if it does, then this uptrend would be over. You know, the market will start dropping lower and lower. Okay, so 2600 is the most critical level. When the price returns, if it returns back to 26.85 and it holds that support, you could actually enter a buy there and a stop loss below 2600. That'll be more for like swing trading. Okay, now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Just keep tapping on our screen. Let's get the likes to 10,000. So here's the 1 hour time frame. On this 1 hour time frame, we can get more clarity on what's going on. This is where we can find more trading opportunities and on. So on the 1 hour time frame, you know, this is what we see. We can see an uptrend the market has been in, and yeah, pretty much the price got to this high 27.58, and then came back to the retest to this low here. That was the most important low for this 1 hour uptrend. It didn't break it, it held that low and then pushed up, and right now our current resistance on the 1 hour time frame, well, our major resistance is at 27.58, but we have a minor resistance right now between 27.49 and 27.53. So this is the current resistance. We can see yesterday the price nearly touched that resistance, and then it got rejected massively. That was at the opening of the market. The moment the market opened yesterday, it basically just crashed massively because it was close to this resistance. So yeah, and now it's returning back to it again. So this could be a good area to look for sales. Okay, if the price ends up getting rejected at this level, which is 27.49, 27.53. If it ends up getting rejected at this area, I will look to enter a sell at that level. And then another good area for sales, 27.58. If the price breaks this one here and it goes to this, you know, that could be an area to sell. And in terms of support, well, we have strong support down here at 27.14, 27.19. This is, we can see the price actually bounced off that support quite a few times. 1, 2, 3, few times. So that support can yeah, that is a support. It seems to be a very strong support since the market keep bouncing back and back up from that level. And yeah, so that's area number one to look for buying opportunities, okay, in the long term. But in the short term, we had a minor buying opportunity at 27.37, and this is where I sent the buy signal on the Telegram group earlier this morning. I gave out a signal to buy gold. This was when it pushed to this support 27.39, 27.37. It held that support, so we took a buy there. And now our next support, okay, I will just head over to the, let me just do a quick top down analysis. Let's look at the lower time frame. And let's see, because we know the market wants to go up. Yeah, it wants to go up. So since the market wants to go up, the best trades to take at this moment is to try to buy as the market is making its way up. And then once it approaches the resistance, then we no longer buy. Okay, so this is how we're scalping the market. So right now, man, we already missed the buying. So the next support was around 27.41, and I can see the market already pulled back to that level, and now it's going back up. So we can't really use that support anymore. Okay, we cannot use that support anymore. So right now we'll just wait for the market to approach this resistance and see how it reacts, because that's what's happening now. It's heading to that resistance, so we'll just wait. Double tap on your screen, guys. To everybody just joining the live, welcome. It's great to have you here. What I'm doing right now is analyzing gold. This is what I do whenever I come live. Analyze the Forex and cryptocurrency market for you guys. I also provide you guys with knowledge that can help you to understand how trading works, how to analyze, and everything. This is a great place for beginners. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join the Telegram group so you can get more information. Okay, link is in the bio. So yeah, so for now we don't have any buying opportunity. The price is approaching the resistance, which is between 27.49 and 27.53. We'll just wait for the market to get there and see the reaction. If we get rejected, then we look for a sell. Okay, so this is pretty much what is happening here with gold. Okay, so while we're waiting for for the market to get to that resistance, let's see, make sure there's nothing else that we're missing. Okay. Yeah, perfect. Okay, so yeah, so now let me check out next on the list. Let's look at Bitcoin actually. Or okay, USD JPY. I see a request for USD JPY, so let me just quickly look at that. Okay, so this is USD JPY here. It's 152.92. It's the current price, and US JPY is in an uptrend. Okay, it's in an uptrend on the 1 hour time frame. On the daily time frame, it's an uptrend. So right now, earlier. When did it happen? So yesterday, actually, we can see USJPY ended up breaking this previous high over here. Okay, so yeah, this was expected eventually. It was expected eventually as the market was doing this retracement. It finally made it, close to the support here. This was a support at 151, 151.18 and stuff. So it pulled down there. This would have been a really good area to buy if the price touched exactly at that level and it holds it. That would be a good area to buy, number one. And then yeah, so basically that's exactly what happened. I mean, the price didn't come all the way down to 151. It just stopped. It stopped at 151.43. Okay, and then from there, now in order for the price to actually push up higher, it has to break out of this downtrend. Okay, because it wasn't a downtrend here. Here, so this is a downtrend here, a minor downtrend. So the price was forming lower highs and lower lows. So now, once the market was able to break above that high, which was this one here, this was the level it had to break in order to push higher. So once the price broke above 152.30, then boom, what do we see? We see a huge push up in the market. It pushed up, and guess what? It came back for a retest, and yeah, it's retesting exactly that level here, 152.30. It was resistance, now it's turning into support. So this is why we can see the price is actually bouncing back up from this level. So this is a good area to enter and buy. I think USDJPY is going to keep going higher. Okay, so you can enter a buy for USDJPY and then target this previous high here as you take profit. Okay, and then just set your stop loss. Your stop loss is like below 152. So let's see here. So yeah, so that's what on this 1 hour time frame, we don't see any sort of bearish pattern. Okay, in order for the price to like this uptrend, for the uptrend to be over, we would need to break below 151. Okay, we need to get like an hourly candle to close below 151.37. If we get that, then we have officially entered a downtrend. But until then, the market is going to keep going higher and higher. So you want to be looking for buying, not to sell yet. The only time we'll sell is if we get a bearish reversal pattern, like a double top, double top. Usually that's a very powerful bearish pattern here that tells us the uptrend is about to end here. And then, or we see the price break below the previous slope, which is 151.43. So yeah, so that's what's happening. Let me now go to the lower time frame, because we can see price is sort of like getting rejected right now. Now what is going on? So we do have some resistance here that I can see. I see here, we have the resistance, which price is getting rejected at 153.05. So let me see here. Okay. Yeah, I'm watching gold. It has returned back to a level. Okay, so I'm watching gold right now. It's back here at this support. Let's check it out. Check it out. See. Oh. Stay. Okay, let's get the likes to 20,000, guys. Double tap on your screen. Okay. So I want to see how the market is reacting. It's currently within this support zone. I want to see how it reacts so we can look for potential buys at this level. Yeah, it keeps failing to hold the support, so we'll just wait. The market is really trying. So if that support hold fails, let's see here. Ooh, okay, 10 minutes is not looking, the 10-minute time frame is not looking good. Okay, we actually have a bearish pattern here on the 10-minute time frame. So now it makes sense, why the price is actually struggling to hold that support. So yeah, this potential, I think, double top here could actually send the price all the way down to 27.34. And 734 here. But if we hold this support here, we actually hold it, then we'll enter a small buy because the price will bounce back up. It will bounce back up if it holds the current support that it's at right now, then it will bounce back up to most likely like 27.44 before it continues dropping. So wait for that confirmation. Yeah. Okay, looks like it's holding the support. So it's holding the support, so I'm going to enter a small buy here. But this is a really strong bounce back up. Targeting 27.44, okay? and I just entered that trade here. I think the price is going to shoot up there very quick. So yeah, so this is a trade. If you did not enter right away, then you might have to wait. Okay, because it's already, you can see how it's already pushing up, going to 27.44. Okay, so let's finish with the USDJPY. Okay, so USDJPY, okay, like I told you guys, it's currently in an uptrend here. And a good area to have bought would have been down here at 152.31. Okay, but the price has already retraced down there and now it's going back up. Okay, so the next best buying area for USDJPY is between 152.76. Okay, so 152.76, 152.86. Those are the levels where you can look for buys. Price is currently retracing right now because it has hit this resistance. We have a small resistance here, 153.06, so that's why the price is currently retracing here. It's most likely going to drop all the way back down to like 152.77 or so, and then you can look for buys around that level. Okay, why you should buy at that price? Because the reason why you want to buy at that price is because it was the resistance. Okay, so this was resistance here, and then we see price broke above it. Whenever price breaks above a resistance, the resistance turns into support. Support is a level that helps the price to bounce back up as it is dropping. Once the price arrives to a support level, it tends to stop dropping. Okay, it tends to start going back up. So that's why we want to buy that level, because it's the support. Okay, so that's USDJPY. Let's look at next on the line. Let's look at Bitcoin. Let's check out Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on. Or should we look at GBP/USD instead? Bitcoin or GBP/USD? Which one? A lot of GBP/USD. Okay. Yeah, so let's look at GBP/USD quickly. Alright, so GBP/USD, guys. This is it. This is what's happening. So GBP/USD, currently we on a larger scale, it is in a downtrend. Okay, and I analyzed this like yesterday. So the level that we need to see a break above as of right now is 129.97, or let's just say 130. Okay, we can get like a 1 hour candle to close above this current resistance, 130. 130, close above 130, then we can look for buys. Okay, right now the price is currently at resistance. Okay, we currently at this resistance, and yeah, and this is a resistance of that previous lower high here, so it's a very strong resistance. We can see price already got rejected there twice. Okay, so first time was down here, and then this is the second time. Third time it's getting rejected, but that rejection does not seem to be like a strong one. I think the price is actually going to be able to break this resistance. So just once we get that 1 hour candle to close above 130, then you can look for buys, because I think the price is going to be able to push all the way up to the main daily resistance, which is at 130.70. Okay, so this is the daily resistance here, 130.70. Once we break above the current 1 hour resistance here, which is 130, then we'll push all the way to that level. So you can actually target that. So for now, for GBP USD, we'll just wait. Okay, just wait for the price to break that current resistance for you to look for a buy. And for sell, yeah, yes, the price is a resistance, but it does not look like that's a resistance the price is going to respect. It looks more like it's going to break that resistance. So I'll be very careful with trying to sell. Yeah. Yeah, so I know some people are saying to sell GBP USD, yeah, but not a good suggestion. I'm not gonna do that, because I think there's a high chance we're gonna break above the current resistance. So selling at this point, not really gonna do it. I'll wait for the price to break above this current resistance 130, and then wait for the retracement. Okay, wait for the price to pull back and then look for buys. Okay, so that's what I would do. I don't want to enter sell right now, because this market has been in a downtrend for a very while, for a long time, and just high chance it's about to break out of this downtrend very soon. So it's better to be patient and wait for that to happen. Wait for the price to break above the current resistance, and then once it pulls back to do a retest, then you buy. Okay, so So on the daily time frame here, same thing, downtrend. For the daily time frame to resume uptrend, we need to break above 130.70. So we need to break above 130.70 on the daily time frame in order for us to go higher. Currently, the current resistance is on 130, but major resistance for the price to push higher, it needs to break above 130.70 or 130, yeah, about 70, 75. You see, this is what's gonna happen. For GBP/USD. Okay, so we're done with GBP/USD. Let's I hope you guys understand what you need to do with GBP/USD. Hope you all understand. Okay, wait for the breakout of the current resistance, which is 130. Once that breakout happens, then just wait for the price. So basically what's going to happen, we'll break above 130, it's going to push up to a resistance, and then it will come back down to around 1.30. At that level, that's when you enter. Okay, now this is what happens whenever let me show you guys something that happens in the market. Okay, so whenever the price is let's say the price is in an uptrend. Okay, when the price is in an uptrend on one time frame, let's say for example, we'll say on the daily time frame as an example. Okay, it's in an uptrend in a daily time frame, and then you want to know where to buy. Okay, you want to know where to buy and all that. Well, usually the best area to buy is the previous high. Okay, so the previous high that the market broke above is usually the best area for you to look for your buying opportunity. So for example, I have an example of an uptrend right here, and then the previous high for this uptrend is right here. Okay, so right there where I just marked with the yellow line, that's the previous high. So this is actually where I would want to enter a buy as the market is coming down. Okay, as the market comes down to that previous high area, this is usually where I want to enter a buy. Now before enter a buy, you don't just enter a buy right away. Just because the market has returned back to the support, it doesn't mean you should just jump right away to enter buy. You need to get confirmation that the price is actually going to hold that support and pushes up. So one confirmation you can get is a bullish candlestick on that specific time frame that the uptrend is in. You need to get, so if this is a daily uptrend, then you need to see a daily bullish candlestick closing at that support for you to enter a buy. So that's one way to go about it. Second way, well, you can go to a lower time frame like 1 hour. Okay, this pullback that the market is doing on the daily time frame, usually on the 1 hour, it's going to look like it's going to be a downtrend. Okay, so on the 1 hour or lower time frames, usually it is a downtrend. Okay, it's a downtrend, and in order for the price to break to get out of a downtrend, it has to break above a previous lower high. Okay, we need to break above a previous lower high in order for the downtrend to be over. So what you can do is, once you notice the uptrend on the daily time frame, now as the market is pulling down or pulling back, you just go to a lower time frame like 1 hour. Okay, and then you can just wait for the price to break above the previous lower high. Okay, because on the 1 hour time frame or 30 minutes, you will see that downtrend pretty clearly, and your goal is just to wait for the price to break above that downtrend or to break out of that downtrend for you to enter your buy. Okay, and this is exactly what's actually playing out on GBP/USD. Once we break above this current resistance on the 1 hour time frame, then we're going to enter a buy because the price will push to 130.70. Okay, and once again to 130.70, there's a high chance it's also going to be able to break it. Okay, there's also a high chance that it's going to be able to break above that resistance. All right, so let's so we looked at gold, we've looked at GBP USD. There's no, I don't see any good trading opportunity with GBP USD. USD JPY, looked at it, and the price, okay, it has pulled back that level. It has pulled back to that level. So okay, so what you guys want to do, okay, if you want to buy USD JPY, say number one, you can enter buy now. Okay, you can actually enter buy right now because the price is holding that support. Or second area to buy if the price breaks above this current resistance, which is 153.16. We can break above 153.16. That is the second buying opportunity. But right now you can actually enter a buy, and yeah, enter a buy here. This could be the first position to enter, and then second position could be above 153.18. There I've been holding sells on gold from morning and 1345 stop loss. You mean to say 2745 stop loss? What did you say about gold? So gold, I entered a buy on gold. Okay, I entered a buy on gold when the price dropped down to 2741, and then the target is 2744. That's the target. So USD JPY, let me just write down the target. So what did I do? Yo, people, you guys love gold so much. Here, let's see. So this is gold, guys. It's 2742. It's targeting 2744. Okay, I think that's where it's heading to. And then, yeah, you know, gold, guys, it is currently it wants to keep going higher. Okay, so right now, trying to sell gold is a little bit risky. The best area to actually enter a sell on gold would be around 2749 and 2753. If you're trying to sell gold at this level, you will yeah, you may be in a loss, okay, because we don't, where gold is at right now is not a very strong resistance. The strong resistance is around 2749, 2753. This is where you need to actually look for sells, not at this area. Okay, so So it's almost at 27.44. I'm watching gold right now. So let me let's go to the 1 minute so you guys can see. You can see it's almost at 27.44. Now, once it gets to 27.44, it could actually keep pushing higher. Like, I'm actually extremely bullish on gold. I think it's going to go all the way up to 27.49. And that's where we have the strongest resistance. All of these currently is not a very strong resistance for the market to actually do any major reversal on. So even on the 1 minute time frame, we can see the next major resistance is actually at 27.46 right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to take half profits now. I'm taking half profit now since the price made it to this level here. Okay, so I'm taking some profit now, and I'm going to keep holding the other position, and I'll most likely hold it all the way to 27.45. 27.45, and then I'll just close at that resistance. Let's tap on our screen, guys. Make sure you join the Telegram group if you're not already in it. Join the Telegram group so you can get more free signals. Let's look at something else. Okay, we're done with gold. Let's check out, and this is the target, by the way, for USDJPY if you're in a buy right now. First TP is at 153.18, and then second TP, so let's check the 10. Second TP to be at, and we have this resistance here, 153.40. Okay. Yeah, GBP there's a high chance it's gonna go higher, so I wouldn't really enter sell right now. That resistance is a resistance that the price has already got rejected from a few times already, and yeah, so now there's a high chance it could actually break that resistance, so just be careful with trying to sell. Wapi? Kwenye huko. Huko ulikuwa conscious. Okay, so hopefully this plays out. That's this is USDJPY. It's gonna take a while, but that's it. Let's look at gold again and see what's going on. Okay. So let's look at gold. Okay, so it's back at the support zone. We can see, yeah, it returned back. See if it's gonna hold it again. If it holds it again, it's gonna go back up. Let's check the 10-minute. Yeah. So gold seems to be holding that 2740 support. Okay. Seems to be holding it. So I can see here we have another support at 2737. Okay, 27.37. If we break below that level, then we'll see gold dropping. It's gonna go way lower. So last major support on this lower time frame, in order for gold to push up higher, 27.37 is the level it cannot break. Okay, if it loses this current support, 27.41, the next one will be at 27.37. We hold that support, that will be a good area to look for a buy. If we break below that level, then you want to get out of your trade, okay, and then wait for the price to come back to the zone here. This is a very strong support here. This between 27.28 and 27.33. This entire zone is a very strong support. So that will be the next good area to buy once we break below 27.37. Okay. JPY is doing great. Wow, I did not even realize that. Look at that, it's doing an amazing job. It is already close to the first take profit, which is at 153.18. Already approaching that. That's awesome. Yeah, so gold is heading to the second support. Okay, we lost the 27.41 and now it's heading to the next one, which is between 27.39 and 27.37. If you're still in the buy, the initial buy from 27.40 and you didn't close that buy yet, you can keep holding it. The stop loss is at 27.36, so you can keep holding that trade. Okay guys, so it's almost time for me to go up. I'll just quickly analyze Bitcoin and then we'll call it a day for today, okay? And then I'll come back again at around 10 p.m. Eastern time, okay? So let's quickly look at Bitcoin here, starting with the daily time frame. Okay, so Bitcoin, we see it is currently 68,658. Okay, and yeah, so we had it broke above this previous high, 66,500, and then it came back for a retest, and then that retest seems to it was successful because the price after retesting 66,500, it basically started pushing back up higher. Okay, and then now the next resistance where Bitcoin is heading to is 72,000. Okay, so 72,000 is where Bitcoin is most likely heading to. The best time to have bought Bitcoin would have been at around 66,500. However, if you missed that buying opportunity, let's see where's the next level where Bitcoin could actually retrace down to. Let's see. Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, so it's actually returning to the support here. 68,000, yeah, 68,240. This is the current support that Bitcoin has. We look for buying opportunities between that level, 68,200, all the way down to 67,700. This is an entire support level that Bitcoin is going to try to hold in order to keep pushing higher. And it's already within that zone. So you can start looking for buying opportunity for Bitcoin because it is heading higher. I think it's the next target. Next major target is 72,000. That's where it's most likely heading. So yeah, and the best areas to buy, well, currently we have 68,240 all the way down to 67,700. These areas, look to buy Bitcoin, okay? And then just target the previous high. The major resistance is 72, and that's something that's going to take a while for price to get to that level. So if you don't want to stay in the trade that long, then you can just target the smaller resistance above the price. Currently, the smaller resistance right now, as of right now, it's 69,274. So that's the current minor resistance there that you can target if you're buying at the current price level. Okay, after that we have 69,500, and then after that 69,500, there's literally no other resistance. Yeah, on that time frame. So the next one will be around 70,000. So you can target number one 69,200. Number two, just target 70,000, because 69,500, it's when the price gets there, it's most likely gonna break it. So the next major resistance where it could struggle to break would be around 70,000. Okay. So yeah, that's my analysis on Bitcoin. It is in an uptrend and it is gonna go up higher. Main target is 72,000. 72,000. That's the main target for Bitcoin. Now the gold trade, if you took that gold trade that I sent out, you should start taking profit now. If you enter the second time around, when I gave out that signal, take out, close some profits now, because the price has hit this the first take profit. So take some profit now. Second TP is at around 27.44, and that one is yet to be hit. So with this one, you want to keep holding. Just make sure you adjust your stop loss to break even. Initially the stop loss is at it was at 27.36, but you can adjust it up higher. Maybe bring it back, bring the stop loss to 27.39 instead of having it at 27.36. You can bring it to 27.39. Okay. Go down or go up. Okay. Whoa. USD JPY. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna go off now. I'll come back again at around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Thank you everybody for joining today's live. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll be back again at 10 p.m. Make sure you follow me on TikTok and join my Telegram group to get more signals and everything. Okay, have an amazing day, guys. See you later, and thank you for the gifts. Thank you for the likes. I really appreciate it. See you guys in a bit. And TP1 for USD just got hit. So if you took that buy, congratulations. You can close the trade now if you would like. If you want to keep holding, that's fine, because I think the price should go higher. Okay, I think USD is gonna go higher. So if you want to keep holding, you can keep holding. Just adjust your stop loss to break even. Okay. All right. So thank you guys. See you later. Bye for now. Oh, yes. And those watching on YouTube, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell. Join the Telegram group, and I'll see you guys later at around 10 p.m. Eastern time.